To begin construction, check that the following tools and supplies are available. Typical tools include safety glasses, garden rake, a shovel, a 24-48-inch carpenter's level, an 8-foot 2x4, heavy rubber gloves, a ladder, a PVC saw, a hammer, pliers, and screwdrivers, and measuring tape. You may also need the following supplies: PVC glue, PVC cleaner, bituminous sealer such as mastic, stakes, mason string. The common types of septic tanks are reinforced concrete, plastic, and fiberglass. For the remainder of this video, the fiberglass and plastic tanks will be referred to as plastic. For both types, the first step in septic tank installation is to take the location drawing from your permit application and stake the location of the septic tank on the ground. When you dig, the hole should be approximately 2 feet larger on each side than the septic tank being placed into the hole. This measurement is from the bottom of the hole, not the top, since the sides of the hole are seldom straight up and down. The depth of the hole for the septic tank is usually determined by the drop in the pipe required for the water to flow from the house to the septic tank. Calculation details are given in the notebook section entitled Pipe Drop Calculations. A typical depth to the top of the tank inlet when the tank is 15 feet from the house is around 28 inches. A word of caution: digging a large hole may be dangerous if the soil is unstable or too sandy. The sides of the hole may need to be supported. The available methods for setting the pipe slope from the house to the septic tank will use one of the following: carpenter's level with 1/4 inch per foot grade mark, string level, water hose, torpedo level with laser pointer, batten boards, 2x4s. The most common technique is the carpenter's level with 1/4 inch per foot grade mark. Insert a section of 2x4 into the end of the 4-inch pipe coming from the house. Place the carpenter's level along top of the 2x4 and adjust the slope so the bubble just touches the line closest to the pipe. Use of a string level is another simple technique for setting pipe slope. Hang the string level from the string and adjust the string until the bubble is in the middle of the level's bubble glass. Unfortunately, it is difficult to keep the string tight and level, and you must measure over from the string to the center of the trench and then down to the floor. The water hose technique is widely used. The hose forms a long U shape in the trench. When it is filled with water, the two water surfaces at either end of the hose will be at the same elevation. Measure down from this water surface elevation to get the proper trench depth. A manufacturer makes a kit of this type with screw-in ends, clear tubes, and marks on the tubes. This technique is easy, but it is a bit messy and time-consuming. The last leveling technique we will mention is a new easy technique: laser leveling. You can purchase a laser torpedo level for around $150 or build one for $10 to $15. The laser level is attractive because of its ease of operation. To build one, attach a standard laser pointer to an inexpensive torpedo level. Mount the torpedo level on a wooden stake at the head of the trench. Use the torpedo level to make sure the laser pointer is level. Place a pole with one end on the bottom of the trench and mark where the laser strikes the pole. As you dig the trench, use the pole to check the bottom elevation approximately every 5 feet. Now that the trench is dug, install the drain pipe. 4-inch minimum diameter sewer pipe with watertight connections should be used between the house and the septic tank. The possible exception to this is mobile homes in place where local code allows 3-inch diameter sewer pipe. The sewer pipe can go all the way to the septic tank. There are very few septic tanks with a 3-inch inlet, so it will be necessary to use an adapter to adjust the 3-inch pipe up to a 4-inch pipe.